Hello everybody, welcome back to another week of Washday. Alright, so I know I've been away for a while. Since I had a twist in, I was going to leave it in for 3 weeks. I did it November 10th, so December 10th would be actually 4 weeks. I'm going to take it out and wash it today. I started taking it out. I hope you guys are doing good. And I hope you didn't forget about me. I just want to take a break for a little bit. A break is always good for your hair. Alright, let me go take my hair out and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I wanted to hop on to this hair care, so I wanted to come on here and start it. I'm so excited because I've not seen or washed my hair in, 3 weeks? I know I promised I'll use this patent treatment every month, but since I took my hair out, it's lost its luster. When you take your hair out and it's dry, you can feel it. It feels like straight spaghetti instead of it to be soft spaghetti. That's how I can explain it. I should use this treatment instead of my I could go in with a pre-shampoo. This gives it some hydration, but it's more of like helping you detangle. It's more like a slip. More like, oh, you have slips so you can detangle your hair. This has a slip, okay? It has a slip and it also has the ingredients to strengthen your hair. So I think I should go in with this one today while it's giving me the slip and the ingredients. So like the last time I poured this in here because I put this in a warm water in a bowl. The lesser, the more it warms up faster. If I put this in the hot water, it's gonna take hours to warm up. So it's best to transfer some of it in here. And then I'll go in with my amla oil. The beautiful amla oil. Now my water bottle. So you need your water bottle, you need your treatment mask, your oil, and then your tools. Okay guys, don't judge the hair. I always tell you not to judge because the Bible said not to judge. And you don't know who judge you. My hair is so stiff. My ends. 22. Work on the back. Hopefully this doesn't take me long. Time again. We're starting at 12:06. Suck it. See? I love this product. Anyways, I'm going to wash my hair. This is how much hair I lost. Second wash. I'm not making this up. I wish I can bring the camera over here. Tobias is literally in the bathtub. Like when we are bathing him, he wants to scream and cry and act like his life is over. But when I'm bathing, he wants to come in here and act like he loves the water. Why? Why are you screaming? Alright, beautiful people, I'm back. This time I actually came back. I really want to detangle my hair, but it's quite close to midnight. Theo is over here looking at me like, what are you doing, ma'am? Say hi, Theo. Hi. I think this is their 6th month. They're only 6 months and they're like big and they eat a lot now. I think it was my last wash day where I slept in it. I wanted to turn out like that, and since I washed it in twist, I'm just gonna put conditioner in it. Generally, I'm not gonna, but yeah, since my hair is in twist, it's easier to just throw the conditioner in. Go in with some, we have Red Air, we're going with some as well. Then TGIN. I might use a TGIN on the ends because that's more of a cream butter feel, and this is more thin, so that can go on my roots like here. Done with that, and I'm gonna top it up with argan oil. I heard argan oil is good for high porosity hair. I refer to half of my hair, to this part, as low porosity and then the ends as high porosity because it feels more coarse and more thicker than these hairs. So I'm sealing only my ends with this. With that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. Hi beautiful people, I'm back. I've decided to just stretch my hair with my Rev Air. So it started with my hair in the twist from yesterday. It's all dried. We're gonna spray some of that. I have my glasses on because I can't see anything. If you remember yesterday I put that Moroccan oil on my hair. It feels very silkening. My hand is sliding through my hair without resistance. I feel like I should put conditioner in it, but I'll just use a little conditioner. I'm using the Hydrate. Oh, my hair is so soft. Thank you, Jesus. I'm just gonna take it out. This is my hair when it's fully blow dried. It's fluffy. It's cute. It's given fluff and cute. I don't know what to say. This is the back. This side is also. But as you can see, my hair is like on the thin side, you know. I'm excited to edit this video just to see how my hair was and everything, you know. If you stay to the end, thanks for watching. You're amazing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Look up here. He's so scared. Oh my god, why are you scared? It's okay, it's alright. See? Not that fearful. Okay, guys. Bye.